Hi, this is February the 1st, 2020, and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. I've never done this before, so I'm really excited about it and gonna need lots of love and support from you guys. So, what to expect on my channel? Well, I will do a lot of DIYs. I will do tons of trash to treasure. That's my favorite thing, probably. I love to go thrift shopping. And of course, I will take you with me most of the time. And then I'll always show you my haul and tell you what I spent for them. And then I'll show you how I use them in my house. In fact, if you'll check in the library, I will, or an upcoming video, I will go around my house and give you a tour of all of the things that I have purchased in thrift stores in the previous years. So I hope that all of this will really, really inspire you because you guys so have inspired me. I watched tons of YouTubes and I have some very favorite um, YouTubers. And they've really meant a lot to me and have given me great encouragement and have inspired me to get up and do something that's creative, which I love to do. And I've always loved doing that. So please give me some support by hitting the subscribe button if this sounds interesting to you, and then hit the little bell beside the subscribe button. And that's a tongue twister for me. Hit the little bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll know every time I upload. Thanks, guys, and enjoy my videos. And I'm so glad that you stopped by for my very first launch. Bye bye.